Smartphones are getting more expensive, but the OPPO A7 Pro Max could be one of the biggest dark horses of the year, especially for battery life. We're talking about a massive 10,000 milliamp battery, a claimed 7-year lifespan, IP69K protection, and even industry-exclusive dual gold standard certification. Instead of chasing flashy specs, OPPO focused on what actually matters: durability, noise reduction, and incredible standby time. For most users, this should easily handle 3 or even 4 years of smooth use. So today, let's take a closer look at the A7 Pro Max. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from TechieStreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Let's start with the design. The A7 Pro Max doesn't feel like a typical budget phone at all. The waves finish I'm using looks especially impressive. Instead of basic painted plastic, OPPO uses a 3D embossed texture. The wave pattern looks realistic, feels smooth, and does a great job resisting fingerprints. Overall, the build feels like a big step up. The camera module gets premium treatment too, using a one-body metal design that keeps everything clean and refined. But here's one feature you might not expect: the multifunctional side ambient light. It automatically changes colors for calls, notifications, music, charging, and gaming. You can even assign different colors to contacts, so you know who's calling or messaging without turning on the screen. It's a small touch, but surprisingly useful. And customization goes further. Alongside riding the waves, OPPO also offers distant mountain black and bright future. Each finish has its own personality. Moving to the front, the A7 Pro Max brings the A-series first 1.5K ultra-light large display. You get a huge 6.78-inch screen, and the sharpness is obvious. Text looks crisp, browsing feels clean, and videos deliver plenty of detail and color. Peak brightness reaches 1800 nits, so even under strong sunlight, the display stays easy to see. That's great for outdoor gaming, videos, or simply scrolling. But now, let's get to the real star, the 10,000 milliamp battery. This massive battery comes with a claimed 7-year long-life design, solving 2 common problems. Smaller batteries lack endurance, while huge batteries can raise long-term durability concerns. OPPO uses its exclusive spherical silicon carbon technology with a dedicated long-life algorithm. It's also the industry's first battery with dual gold standard certification, designed to maximize both capacity and longevity. But enough theory, let's see what happens in real-world heavy use. Starting at 100%, I ran the phone through 3 hours of demanding tasks: 1 hour of Honor of Kings at the highest frame rate, 1 hour of ultra-light frame rate video playback, and 1 hour of HD video recording. And here's the impressive part: after all that, the battery still had nearly 80% remaining. That kind of endurance changes everyday use. For a commute or short business trip, charging every 2 days should be more than enough. Heavy users also have far less reason to carry a power bank. Charging is surprisingly solid too. With 80-watt SuperVOOC, the phone gained around 12% in just 10 minutes, while a full charge took a little over 90 minutes. And there's another feature I really like: 27-watt reverse charging. If your earbuds, headphones, or tablet die unexpectedly, the A7 Pro Max can become an emergency power source. It can even recharge a 5-inch portable power bank. That makes this phone especially useful for outdoor trips, students, and professionals who need reliable battery life all day long. One big question with huge battery phones is simple: what happens after 2 or 3 years? Battery health usually drops and performance can suffer. But the OPPO A7 Pro Max is designed to tackle that problem. Its patented materials and battery algorithms provide a claimed 7-year battery lifespan, helping maintain battery health for years. That means fewer worries about replacing your phone every couple of years, and potentially more money saved long-term. But battery life isn't the only thing that makes this phone interesting. Its durability is just as impressive. The A7 Pro Max has an IP69K rating, protecting it from dust and water. It can handle 38 common liquids and even high-temperature water sprays up to 85 degrees. So this isn't basic splash resistance, it's serious protection for harsh conditions. And of course, we had to test it. Imagine dropping your phone into a hot pot. Sounds like a disaster, right? With the A7 Pro Max, maybe not. You can remove it, rinse it under running water, and keep using it. During testing, the display stayed bright and responsive. After washing away oil and grease and drying the phone properly, everything continued working normally. That protection is useful in real life, too. Soup spills, rain, accidental water exposure, you don't have to panic every time. The phone has also passed 7 demanding durability tests and earned 9 aerospace-level durability certifications, showing it's built for tough environments. There's also a diamond-style drop-resistant architecture with thickened crystal shield glass, so everyday drops, scratches, and pocket friction become less worrying. For outdoor users, OPPO adds 2 more useful features: rain touch control and glove mode. Even with a wet screen, touch response remains accurate, helping prevent missed taps and accidental inputs. Glove mode lets you use the phone without removing your gloves, and it can also help when your hands are oily or muddy. That's especially useful for delivery drivers, commuters, and outdoor workers. But durability and battery life aren't everything. OPPO has also upgraded the cameras. The A series has always focused on endurance, but the A7 Pro Max takes imaging further with 50-megapixel ultra-clear cameras on both the front and rear, the strongest camera setup in the A series. The rear main camera captures high-resolution, colorful, detailed photos, whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits. Even in low-light or backlit scenes, it aims to maintain good clarity and clean images. AI portrait lighting can also brighten faces more naturally. Instead of making skin look washed out, it focuses on keeping realistic texture while improving the lighting. Up front, the selfie camera handles everyday shots well, including group photos and natural-looking selfies for social media. And live photos get customizable stickers, giving you more ways to make your clips feel personal and creative. So overall, the OPPO A7 Pro Max is a durable, long-lasting smartphone with very few major weaknesses. You get a huge 10,000 milliamp battery, claimed 7-year lifespan, 80-watt fast charging, reverse charging, IP69K protection, military-grade noise reduction, high-resolution cameras, and a stylish design. It's especially suited to students and professionals who don't need extreme gaming power but want battery endurance, durability, noise reduction, and everyday protection. For seniors and outdoor users, it's even more appealing. You get capable cameras, serious durability, and long battery life at an attractive price. And because it's built around long-term reliability, one phone could comfortably serve you for several years. And that's everything for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!